Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the 4-hour time frame, we did get a nice little push up, and we definitely did get a break of structure. That tells me that this move down is over. The fact that it didn't break down also tells me that now there probably is a chance that it just goes all the way back up. Definitely a possibility that I need to keep in mind. I personally think that this move up could probably more likely end up turning into a crux into this move down, and this is going to be like a wave two, I think, like a 1-2 or an AB, because I still think this looks like a possible end of a wave C. But it didn't break structure down, so that's kind of a red flag. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, I mean, I would be looking for logs, especially on the shorter time frames. But while I was looking for logs, I would have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and I would observe the market to see if it did something very overlapping like this, and then shot down at a Fibonacci level, making an ABC correction, or whether continued to be very impulsive like this, and eventually went up and made new highs on the 4-hour daily time frame. If you're looking for logs and it just keeps on going up, that should be good. If you're looking for logs and it makes a very overlapping pattern to a Fibonacci level and then turns back down, that just means that you would stop looking for logs and start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.